Is definitely made for crashing a party. While that Donny ship runs back to its mama, it's time for us to introduce ourselves planet-side, face-to-face like. It'll be my turn next, once these suits and weapons are ready. I'll squeeze my 4 squads into one of those giant metal coffins, and hopefully the pilots will be kind enough to put us down in one piece. It's no joyride though, that's for sure. Been a while since I've done this. Oh, it'll all come back quickly. Always does. After I talk with VP Hayes, we'll get right to claiming ground for Craven and Company and taking it away from that crazed order. They have too many troops down there, though. It's not going to be easy. They'll fight us every step of the way. And not everyone will be coming back.
Hello, Major. I'm glad you could finally make it in this morning. Briefing was scheduled for 8 standard minutes ago.
Sorry, ma'am. I've been checking the suits and ordnance before the mission. No one in maintenance shook them down.
Very well, then. My expert systems agree with you. The enemy buildup in the Oracle Dunes must be halted. Take a squad in and destroy the Order's central communication relay for the region.
A single squad? But I recommended at least 3 to deal with the reinforcements that the Donnies are bound to call in.
Equipping 3 squads for such a simple mission is not financially viable. Since you're concerned with the Order's reinforcements, I suggest you accomplish your objective before they arrive.
But...
Sorry, Major, I have a staff meeting to attend. You have your orders. Enrica out.
New drop zone. Dropship entering atmosphere. Mission update. The Order's communication relay is here. Analysis of enemy communication traffic indicates that reinforcements will arrive in approximately 10 minutes. Recommendation: load troops in your APC to move them faster.
Understood.
Enemy attacking Squad 1. Squad 1 recharging.
Order received. Understood. I'm on my way.
Enemy hoverdyne destroyed. Enemy attacking Command APC. Squad 1 recharging.
Affirmative. Position acknowledged.
Enemy attacking Squad 1. Command APC taking friendly fire. Squad 1 recharging. Enemy attacking Squad 1.
Move order received. Understood.
Enemy hoverdyne destroyed.
Moving right away, Major.
Affirmative. Position acknowledged.
Move
Squad 1 recharging. Enemy hoverdyne destroyed.
Understood. We will enter the APC.
Moving at once, Major.
Squad 1 recharging.
Moving right away, Major. Waypoint added, Major. Waypoint added, Major. Moving at once, Major.
Enemy attacking Command
Understood.
APC.
I'm on my way.
Command APC taking friendly fire. Squad 1
Right away,
recharging.
Major. Move order received.
Move order. Understood. I'm on my way.
Enemy attacking Squad 1.
Moving at once, Major.
Enemy structure destroyed. Squad 1 recharging.
Affirmative.
Enemy structure
Position
destroyed. Enemy attacking Squad 1. Enemy hover battery destroyed.
Moving right away, Major.
Squad 1 recharging.
Move order received.
Understood. Affirmative. Position acknowledged. Move order. Understood. I'm on my
Enemy
way.
attacking Command APC.
Affirmative. Position acknowledged.
Moving at once, Major.
I cannot reach that position.
Squad 1 recharging. Enemy infantry destroyed. Enemy attacking Squad 1. Enemy infantry
Understood.
destroyed.
Affirmative. Position acknowledged. Move order received.
Squad 1 recharging.
Affirmative. Position acknowledged.
Moving right away, Major.
Enemy structure
Understood.
destroyed.
We will enter the
Mission
APC.
update. Communication relay destroyed. Objective achieved. Recommendation: immediately withdraw your forces to the marked pickup point. Use your APC to move your troops quickly.
This is Dropship Chicago, initiating landing routines. Get ready to fast load, Major. This zone is going to be hot soon. We'll be dropping the ramps as soon as we touch down.
Mission accomplished.
On this tour, we don't have the units for the typical assault plan. The best we can do is more operations like today's. Get in fast, take out something valuable to the Order, and get out before they can drop in reinforcements. With our cruiser busy jockeying for position with the Donnie's war wagon, we can't even get decent telemetry on the surface. The downside is, unless we attack in strength, it's going to take months to track down every stronghold. In the meantime, they'll be jumping all over our positions. Still, I'm surprised we got away with hitting that comm relay so easily today. I guess the Donnies must be spread out pretty thin themselves. But the question is why? What the hell are their troops guarding that's more important than their own installations?